Welcome back, guys, to Gills and Reels Fishing. In this episode we catch a surprise fish, and as always I put all the gear and tackle down in the description below. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Yes. Yes. That's what we're talking about. Plopper, plop plop, they like the ploppity plop plop. Oh yeah, nice, not a bad bass. Yeah, what a freaking disaster. Kayak. Wow. Gills and Reels. Look. Quiet. Took quite the turn today. Oh my gosh. Wow. What? That doesn't get. Oh my gosh. What a freaking joke. Wow. Well, guys, that was an example of what not to do. Wow. What a crazy fish catch. All right. Now let's see if we actually get a weight on this thing. Gosh. All right. Oh, 9 pounds 14 ounces, guys. 9 pounds 14 ounces. Holy crap, what a freaking fish. Never caught a carp before, and that's a doozy. Good crap. Well, I guess, wow, that was nuts. Absolutely nuts. everything is soaked. I almost lost my pole, but we got it in the boat. I got all my stuff back. Don't know if I got all that on video. I'll have to check when I get back, but that was a heck of a fish fight with a stinking carp. There we go. Talking about right there. Oh, that's a good 2.5 pounder, hopefully. 2.12 pounds. You took it, and now you got it. Yeah, buddy. Haha. Oh, baby. Baby, thank you. That's a 2.5 pounder right there. Yes. It really would have helped if I would have brought my anchor. Huge blow up over there that I'd missed. I didn't even swing at the fish, but huge. Buddy, hold on. Thanks for coming, little guy. Well, finding a pattern in this current, which is nice.